Hey guys, it's Sherry. So let's jump right into it and start the drawing for the second giveaway, which was the Hey Mr. Paper Pack Kit. And before we do the actual drawing itself, I want to show you guys what the kit will contain. So of course, you know you'll be getting 5 sheets of this beautiful navy and copper pinstripe paper with the tools on the back side. This is the paper you guys have all seen me using. I love it, and the winners are going to love it as well. Then you'll also receive 2 sheets of the Strongman paper from the Hey Mr. collection, and it too has that copper foiling on the little outfit that the man has on, and this paper coordinates beautifully with this pinstripe paper, so you can use this many ways. Then I have a Hey Mr. sticker sheet that will be included as well. There are 12 stickers on the sheet. I'm sorry, there are 37 stickers on this sheet. Then you're going to receive a small pack of Hey Mr. ephemera, and then you will receive a pack of the Hey Mr. puffy stickers. So hopefully you guys will enjoy receiving this pack, and you'll be able to make some really cute stuff, not just for Father's Day, but anytime that you need a gift for a man in your life. So this is the paper pack that I will be mailing out. Let's jump right into the drawing. Okay, so I've already got the names loaded in my little picker here, and I am going to go ahead and draw the first name. And the winner is Molly Simmons. And then I have one more winner, and let's go ahead and draw that name. And my winner is Twyla Chavez. So Molly Simmons and Twyla Chavez, you are the lucky winners of these 2 paper packs. Shoot me your mailing addresses, and if I have those mailing addresses today, I will drop these in the mail tomorrow, and hopefully you'll have them by Monday at the latest, and you can start your Father's Day crafting. I am so happy for you guys. I am so thankful to everyone who participated in the drawing and all of the wonderful comments. It's been a blast, guys. It's been so much fun, and I'll be doing these on a regular basis, so look for some more upcoming. Y'all have a great day. Happy crafting. Bye.